So hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Abhishek Goyal and I'm super excited to have you here. So who I am and what is my story and why I had started this YouTube channel. Of course, there are multiple reasons that I had started this YouTube channel. Okay, so let's talk about my background story and why I'm here. So let's talk about a little bit about me. I'm from Rajasthan and I'm living in Mumbai since 2006. I did my schooling in Mumbai only and like I scored decent in my boards. Decent, I mean, of course, it's 80 plus. Now I'm in the third year of my engineering. Yeah, I'm an engineering student.
Emotional, damn it!
Yeah, so these past 2 years have been whirlwind for me. I had learned tons of new things, building networks, and really working on my communication and soft skills. Of course, that's a great thing that I did, like for me. So let's talk what I did till now in my life. So as you know, I'm from Rajasthan and I'm living in Mumbai. And okay, so after completing my board exams, I had started my engineering journey. Actually, I'm a business enthusiastic guy. I always wanted to start my business, but I also get to know that engineering is some stuff that we can do. Actually, in my whole family, there is no one who is that level educated. I'm the only one who is studying at this level, like doing engineering. I mean, yeah, that's a great thing for me. I'm the first engineer in my whole family. Okay, so after my first year, I got internship at TCET Open Source. It's basically an organization in our college, which is organized by, I mean, which is built by our senior named Gaurang Vishwakarma. Of course, he's currently working in FANG. It's like Facebook, and I joined that as a backend developer. It was I'm a 2 month. It was a 2 month gig, and to be honest, I'm not that good in the backend as I just know the basic of a little bit basic of backend stuff. But working with some really like talented people, folks who had cracked FANG companies, cracked companies like JP Morgan, Chase and Co. Also, some of the people had also cracked GSOG. Some of the people had their startup, and it's running quite good till now. This all are the things that help me level up. Networking and attending developers event became a big deal for me. One of my proudest moment was seeing my pull request getting merged into our college ERP project. Yeah, that's a great thing I had achieved till now. I mean, according to me. Because you are really like contributing to the projects that has been used by a lot of people, and that ERP is our college. Our college has been using that ERP for managing their stuffs. So okay, that was the proudest moment. Was seeing my pull request getting merged into our college ERP project. That was a huge achievement, like for me. Okay, so now what's next? Now, I would also participated in hackathons. Yeah, in my first and second year, I had participated in a hackathon named as TechTrove. Yeah, TechTrove. It's basically a AI/ML based hackathon, and it was a great hackathon actually. We had also participated in the SIH, but in TechTrove we won third prize. We don't know about ML AI, but still we were able to secure third position in our college. I'll be sharing the images of the winning with my teammates. And this is all the things. SIH we were not able to like get into much into it. Okay. Okay, so now my second year and my achievements. Okay, let's talk about my second year. What I did in my second year. Actually, I did a lot of stuff in my second year. In my second year, I got involved with multiple committees as an event manager. The committee name is IET. It's our committee. Basically, I'm from ENCS, Electronics and Computer Science. So yeah, I had a chance to lead and organize a hackathon in our college, named as Oscillation and Tech Pro, which is actually an international event. That oscillation is to be organized at the international level also. It was an amazing experience, learning leadership skills and managing big events. Also help organize the biggest event in our college, named as Zephyr. Yeah, Zephyr is our biggest event that had been organized in our college every year. Okay, so that's all the thing. And on the top of that, I also maintain 9 plus pointer GPA. No, that was tough. Still, I'm able to balance studies and extra co-curriculum. It was tough, but I did. But I managed, and I also joined a startup. I'll be revealing soon that startup. Yeah, it was running by my senior, and I joined that as a front-end developer. And yeah, far I did this much far I did all this stuff. Now, why I'm here and why I created this channel, why I'm recording this video, that's the main thing. So there are multiple reasons to create this channel. So I wanted so first of all, though, I want to build a consistency in my life, as I'm only building new stuff, so I'm just getting involved in a lot of stuff, but no one is seeing me, right? If no one is seeing me, how will people get to know that yeah, that is Abhishek Goyal and he's doing a stuff? So on this channel, I'll be sharing the stuff that what I'm creating, how I'll be managing my time and committees for technical, non-technical committees, how I'm achieving my goal. Also, and I'm in my third year, how I'm going to spend this 2 years to get internship or stuffs like I also have a business ideas, right? So I have to work for them also. So that's all the thing. Also want to share my knowledge with the peoples, as whatever I had learned, and I also get a chance to connect with the people if and to build consistency in my life and share my knowledge and help others achieve their goals. So if you're in a tech field, this channel is for you. I'll be sharing my achievements, step-by-step goals that I'm going to achieve that goals. I have a lot of things to do in my third year and my fourth year. So how I'm going to achieve that, and what are the stuff that I'm going to do, what are the things that I'm going to follow to achieve that goals, step-by-step guide. All are the things that I'm gonna post on this YouTube channel. My business idea, of course, I have to work on that, and yeah, it will work. I was thinking like that, maybe. Also, I started my DSC journey and my second year, and I came so far, and I started solving questions on lead code and all. Every people were doing, right? I'm also doing that, but that's a good thing. The goal here is to build consistency in learning tech, share what I know, and show how I will plan to spend my rest of 2 years in my college. Basically, I'm from Thakur College of Engineering Technology, TCET in short. Okay, so now if you like this video and want to join me on this journey, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Drop down in the comment below and let me know what kind of content you are excited to see. I've got such awesome stuff lined up, so stay tuned. So thanks for watching this video, and let's meet on the next video. Bye.